By the end, you'll be able to use Claude Code's plan mode to streamline your development workflow for big features. When tackling complex projects, it's easy to get lost in the details, but having a clear plan up front saves time and reduces errors. That's where Claude Code's plan mode comes in. It helps you create a structured approach before writing a single line of code. You'll be able to break down large features into manageable tasks, identify potential roadblocks, and establish a clear direction for your project. This means you'll spend less time debugging and more time building. Plan mode is a game changer for developers working on big features, and it's surprisingly easy to use. To get started, you'll need to open Claude Code and navigate to the plan mode section. From there, you can begin outlining your project's requirements, goals, and milestones. By doing so, you'll set yourself up for success and ensure your project stays on track. Now, let's take a closer look at how to use plan mode effectively. All right, so by now you've got a rough idea of what we're going to do today, using Claude Code's plan mode to break down big features into manageable chunks. Now it's time to get your project set up. First off, open your terminal or command prompt. We'll be starting fresh, so let's create a new directory for our project. Bash, dir my_big_feature_project, cd my_big_feature_project. Now it's time to initialize Claude Code in this new directory. Open your favorite code editor and navigate to the root of your project. Create a new file called claude.yaml. Note that it should be spelled exactly as Claude, with a lowercase c, not Claudie or anything like that, and open it for editing. In this claude.yaml file, you'll add some basic configuration. Here's what your file should look like. YAML, project_name, my_feature_project. Plan_mode, true. Save the file, simple as that. By setting plan_mode to true, we're telling Claude Code to use its powerful planning capabilities. Next, let's initialize our project with Claude Code. Bash, include init. This command will set up a basic structure for your project, including a plan directory where you'll outline the feature. It's like having a blueprint before you start building. With Claude Code now configured and ready to go in plan mode, we're all set to break down our big feature into smaller, more manageable tasks. By the end of this, you'll be able to take a big feature and break it down into smaller, actionable tasks using Claude Code's plan mode. You got your Claude Code environment set up. Now it's time to plan out that big feature. Start by opening your project in Claude Code and clicking on the Plan button to switch into plan mode. In this mode, you can create a new plan by clicking the New Plan button and naming it after your feature. Now, let's break down this feature into smaller tasks. Think about what needs to happen for this feature to be complete. What are the individual steps that need to be taken? For each step, create a new task in your plan by clicking the New Task button and describing the task in a few words. Don't worry too much about the details at this point. Just focus on getting the high-level tasks down. Once you've got all your tasks, you can start organizing them into a logical order. Use the drag-and-drop interface to reorder your tasks and create a step-by-step plan for your development process. This will help you stay focused and ensure that you're completing all the necessary tasks to get your feature shipped. Now that you've broken down your big feature into smaller tasks, try creating a new task in your plan and see how it fits into your overall development process. By the end of this, you'll be able to turn each task from your plan into actual code, using Claude Code to guide the implementation. You've got your plan in place. Now it's time to start coding. Open Claude Code and create a new file for your feature. Let's call it big_feature.py. With your plan open in claude.md, you can start turning each task into code. Claude Code's autopilot feature can help you get started. Just type Claude Code followed by a brief description of the task, like Claude Code, create user authentication endpoint. This will give you a starting point for your code, and you can then fill in the details. As you work through each task, make sure to refer back to your plan to ensure your code matches your intended design. Claude Code's plan mode will help you stay on track, and its real-time feedback will catch any mistakes before they become major issues. With Claude Code guiding your implementation, you can focus on the logic of your code, knowing that the basics are taken care of. Now, go ahead and start turning your first task into code, using Claude Code to help you get it right. By the end of this, you'll be able to review and refine both your plan and the code it generated, making your development process more efficient. You've just implemented a big feature using Claude Code plan mode, and now it's time to take a step back and assess how it went. Open up the claude.md file you created earlier and review the plan you made. Compare it to the actual code that Claude Code generated. Look for any areas where the plan didn't quite match the implementation or where the code could be improved. Ask yourself, are there any parts of the plan that were unclear or ambiguous? Are there any sections of code that could be simplified or optimized? Take note of these areas, as they'll help you refine your planning process for the next big feature. Now, let's take a look at the code itself. Use the Claude API to review the code and identify any potential issues or areas for improvement. You can use commands like Claude Review to get a detailed analysis of the code. By reviewing and refining both your plan and the resulting code, you'll be able to identify areas for improvement and make your development process more efficient. This will save you time and effort in the long run and help you deliver high-quality features. Your next step is to try refining a plan and code implementation on your own, using the Claude Code plan mode and the Claude API to review and analyze your work. By the end of this, you'll be able to start outlining your next big feature using Claude Code's plan mode. You've seen how to break down a large task into manageable parts, create a step-by-step plan, and then turn that plan into code. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Create a new project in Claude Code and enable plan mode to start outlining your next development task. You can find the workflow we've been using in the Claude Code documentation or by checking out the claude.md files in the sample projects on the Anthropic GitHub page. Take a project you've been putting off or one that's been feeling too overwhelming and break it down into smaller, actionable steps using plan mode. See how it helps you stay focused and ensure you don't miss any critical parts of the feature. If you want to see more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest on using Claude and its tools to streamline your development workflow. Now, go ahead and create that new project, enable plan mode, and start planning your next big feature. Your next step is to open Claude Code and start a new project right now. Vocabulary, workflow, documentation, actionable, overwhelming, streamlined.